Alright, what's up guys? This is a tutorial on how to install a set of our Detroit Deviant exhaust covers on your Mel 430 and 462 Lincoln Continental engine. These could also be put on any of the other Fords, Lincolns, or Mercurys that were used. You might have to do some additional trimming depending on the application. This is one of our ones that is designed to fit with the factory air conditioning, and we'll go through the install. Let's do it. Alright, you're pretty much going to just need a couple of tools. You need a tool to remove the valve cover, at least the bottom bolts. Mine happens to be socket head cap screws, so I'm going to go ahead and remove those. Alright, next you're going to need to remove the spark plug wires. On the one for the factory air, you're actually going to leave this one, the front one, in. Now the other three, go ahead and fish them through the hole on the cover. Once you have your wires through the hole, rotate the cover down. Get it down underneath the master cylinder cover. Go ahead and reinstall your spark plug wires. If you have a tool, you can reach down in there, but now that this is like this, you can kind of reach in here, get these reinstalled. It's a little bit tricky. Alright, and then that's going to go back on like that. Alright, so I'm going to take my bolts, put my bolt back through. On this driver's side, you actually only need to remove the back two screws because of the AC bracket here. You're going to put your other screw in back here. Tighten this one up here. And that's it. Simple install. 2 bolts on the passenger side if you've got the factory AC. It utilizes all 3 if you have without the AC. And then the other side, we have a couple different cuts. We've got one for with the battery, with the AC, and then without both. It's just a nice straight shot. If you've removed your battery, put it in the trunk, or if you've done with a different AC like I have, a Vintage Air. I've got a lot more room on that side of the motor now, so the cover can go all the way back. If you do have the factory AC, we have a shorter version, which gives you clearance for the factory air box. Alright, so there it is installed. It's pretty simple, guys. It's a few minutes, maybe give yourself 15-20 minutes to get these installed. It really cleans up your engine compartment here, covers up that ugly rusty exhaust, and looks really nice. Complements well with our Detroit Deviant master cylinder cover and our fender braces, which we'll put on next.